Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my predictions and analysis for US and Europe UK indexes, that is Germany 40, FTSE 100, and also we'll look into Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Now I'll be telling you how to trade these instruments today when the FOMC minutes are scheduled late in the evening. Now do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into, with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll link into Nasdaq 100, Germany 40, followed with Dow Jones and FTSE 100. Do watch till the end. Every word matters, so do listen to it carefully. Now let's have a look at US 100. Now these are the 2-hour charts for US 100. What it appears that it is trying to give a breakout here, consolidated, and now it is ready for a rally again. The confirmation for a bull here is only above 13200, where you can expect that US 100 is ready for 13400 also. So I'll be cautious. However, one can remain long till the time it remains above 13100 levels. Today one can in fact remain long here. One can expect 13200 and 13300, 13400 can also be expected. That is what it appears on the 2-hour chart. However, a stochastic is near to also, but right now not showing, and it is crossing over for a sell. So I'll be cautious. MACD is also trying to converge and crossing over for a sell, and RSI is now looking upwards again. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, similarly there is a strong resistance zone for downside at 13,000, which is giving it a very strong support for any downward move. Now look at this, 3-hour candle is yet to start and it is giving lower highs and higher lows. So yes, if you see it trading above 13160, then I will recommend you to go long, else we have to wait a bit here. As you can see, there is a little resistance at around 13150 levels. Probably we have to wait a bit before taking a position here, and then the next resistance is at around 13200. Below, beyond that we may see a sharp rally which will try to take it towards 13300 400 zone. For the day, the support is at around, see, the first support at 13,000 and 13,100, and then the support at around 13,000 will come into picture on the downside. So precisely one can take short at around 13080 and a long entry at 13160. In between these 80 points, stay up. 3-hour stochastic looking upwards from here. MACD is still in buy, running parallel, and RSI not showing any signs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, 4-hour charts too is trying to give a breakout. However, there is a stronger resistance lying out there. It is trying to trade higher lows, it is trying to give lower highs, it is trying to give, trying to consolidate in between this zone, that is 13100 to 13160 180 zone. So I'll be cautious here. Yes, 13080 go short one, then you can expect 13050, which is going to 13040, which is going to be a fairly strong resistance, and then on the upside 13160. Beyond that one can go long. I'll summarize everything right now. Lot many things are getting observant here, so wait till and watch till the last. Now stochastic is looking upwards again. MACD is wide, divergent and running in green, and RSI not showing any signs. Look at the daily charts. Most importantly, daily charts have couple of observations to make here. Now look at this, the candle on the daily charts, you can see the candle size is diminishing, the body size is diminishing here, indicating that bulls are still not trying to take the complete control on US 100 on the upside. Now look at this also, previous candles, if you consider this as a channel, it is trying to trade with this as high, and also the lows are very much consistent there. So yes, till the time it remains above 13100 today, probably one can remain long. The target is going to be fairly towards 13300 levels can be seen, and in fact it can try to break towards 13400 500 zone, which is going to be a fairly strong resistance for US 100. I'll be cautious, it can act volatile. Now look at the daily stochastic, right now looking upwards, MACD trying to converge and RSI not showing any signs. Now couple of observations, let me show you. Here it is still very much trading in this channel. Now look at this, the channel high is at around 13500. At the same time, throughout these days we have never seen US100 consolidating and reversing here. So probably yes, today I will be cautious, and once it starts with this bullish move, we can expect it to achieve higher highs. And yes, breaking beyond 13200, it can achieve till towards 13400 500 zone also. See, the FOMC minutes are scheduled today. Most of the interest rate decision of 0.5% hike is already factored in. That is my assumption, because markets always react in advance. So the move has been factored. Now we have to look for the guidance on what Fed decides today for the next meeting, and probably the hints and clues in the statements out there, probably that will reflect the mood of the market. However, a relief rally cannot be denied, and one can expect that it may try to rise today. So in sum, one can remain short or go short only in US100 today below 13080. Below that, 13,000 is going to be a fairly strong support. At the same time, one can go long at 13160. Beyond that, 13200 is going to be a resistance, and beyond that, we may see a sharper rally in US100. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, it can try to go till towards 13400 levels, 13500 levels, fairly strong resistance, fairly good levels. On the downside, there is a strong support at 13,000 and 12900 levels. Below that, we may see a sharper drop till towards 12800, 12650 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Germany 40. Germany is the only index in this right now besides India index which is trying to trade sideways since long. It's been month when we have seen a real move in Germany, and now today again look at the 2 hour charts. Little minor, see this, these rise, a stronger rise, stronger rise, stronger drop, support here, rise, minor drop, higher lows are getting created, the support at 13950, rise, and now a retracement, and now looking forward to a rise again. Yes, you can see 14050 as a resistance and 14100 a very strong resistance. Once it trades above 14100, one can expect that we may see higher highs where it can head towards 14200 levels. That is what it appears. At the same time, breaking 14,000 levels, one can expect a little drop out there. Now look at the 2 hour stochastic overbought. MACD is still in green, RSI not showing any sign here. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, it is trying to consolidate sideways. Now look at this, it is trying to consolidate sideways. The channel is this one here, trading at around 14150, 200 can be expected. And yes, once it breaks 13950 this time, probably, rather I will say 14,000 this time, we may see a sharper drop. So see, a really sharper drop, consolidation, then a sharper drop can be expected here, where one can expect it to drop sharply on the downside. So trade accordingly, but a reversal confirmation is only once it is beyond 14100 today. Beyond that, one can expect 14200, and beyond that it may rise strongly. Now look at the, but let's also have a look at the indicators there. See, the stochastic is near to overbought. MACD is still trading in green and wide and divergent. Bullish here. RSI comfort levels neither overbought nor oversold. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, clearly seeing this 50 period average is giving it a resistance for the upside, and this is lying at around 14060, 14080 zone. So yes, you can go long at 14080. At the same time, on the upside, on the downside, there is a support at 14,000 and 13950. So I will recommend don't take a position between 13950 and 14080 levels. Between these 130 points, you have to be little bit observant here. It is trying to trade sideways, consolidating here, higher lows, lower highs, and a breakout can be expected soon. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is still running parallel. RSI not showing any sign. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, see, this is trading in this channel. The high of this channel is at around 14500 levels, and yes, there is a little resistance on the from the 50 period moving average at around 14,100 levels. Now let me give you a closer look here. Now see, this is trying to show you a reversal. However, lower highs and lower lows on the previous candle, trying to give it a feel that it is trying to trade in this channel. Hence, if you see it trading beyond 14,100, one can go long. one can expect it to rise. Rather, I will say 14060 zone itself is good for 14100, and beyond that one can expect that it may try to hit 14250 levels also. So beyond 14060 one can go long, target 14120, and then beyond that 14200, 14260 can be expected. On the downside, there is a fairly strong support now at 13950 and 13900 zone, breaking which one can expect a sharper drop. Also look at the stochastic is neither showing any signs, and MACD has just crossed over on a greener side. So considering this, probably one can go long at around 14060. 14100 is going to be the next target, and once it breaks this 14100 zone, one can expect that this is going to head till towards 14240, and 14400, 14500 cannot be denied. So trade with caution and trade with stop loss. It is going to be a wild volatile day. And yes, on the downside, breaking 3950, one can expect a sharper drop towards 13900, 13 and 800, and if it breaks 13800, one can remain bearish on Germany 40. We can see a sharper correction. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Look at US 30. It is trying to create this channel, and probably now either of the break, either the of a breakdown below 33,000 is a good indication for a good drop, and at the same time one can remain long till the time it remains above 33,150 levels. Beyond that, one can expect it to hit 33,400 levels, which is going to be a fairly strong resistance. Then 33,600 and plus levels can also be expected. A very wild day it is gonna be, so trade with caution there, especially with US 30, because this is the most volatile instrument or index we have seen. Nasdaq 100, yes, it is volatile, but however Dow Jones is extreme volatility, which we are witnessing right now. Stochastic is at comfort zones. MACD is still in green and it is still in buy. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, similarly it is trying to give a breakout now. So yes, one can go long beyond 33,240 levels. Beyond 33,240, one can remain long on US 30 today. The next target is 33,380, 33,400, and then beyond that we may see a sharper fall rise. So 33,240 levels, good levels to go long. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is still in green, white divergent. RSI not showing any signs. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, 4-hour charts too is trying to give it a breakout here, and probably once it breaks beyond this zone at 33,240, one can expect a rise, sharper rise, which might take it towards 33,300, 33,500 plus levels can be seen. On the downside, breaking 33,100, one can go short for 33,000, 32,900, and below that we may see a sharper drop. Stochastic is near to overbought, comfortable. MACD white divergent and strongly bullish out there. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see that candle has started flat and it is, yes, got a support at 33,100. At the same time, this is the reversal here. Now it is trying to trade in green. Probably it may try to achieve channel highs at around 33,700, and in fact can try to go till towards 34,000 also, probably, which might complete the journey of it and be ready for the breakdown there. So yes, with the support at 33,100, one can remain long on US 30 today. And yes, below that on the downside, 32,900 very strong support, and below that we may see a sharper drop again, which might take it towards 32,400 also. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and crossover on the buy side, hence I will be cautious there. RSI not showing any signs, so considering this, one can remain long on 33 US 30 till the time it remains above 33,100. The next entry for getting or going long is at around 33,240. One can remain long above that. One can expect we may see a sharper rise, which might take it towards 33,400, and then towards 33,600, 33,700, and 34,000 can also be seen. Wild volatile day. And on the downside, breaking 33,100, one can go short for 32,900. First 33,000, then 32,900, and below that one can remain short for 32,500 levels. This is also very much possible. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at FTSE 100. FTSE 100 trading at 7560 levels. Only thing bullish in this entire world is FTSE 100. However, look at this. It is also seen a double top out there, and probably I'll be watchful of this zone at 7580. This is a 2-hour double top, and 7580 levels is again something which I'll be looking forward to. If it breaks 7580, we may see a sharper rise. 2-hour stochastic looking downwards, MACD trying to converge here and crossover for a sell. I'll be cautious there. Any break below 7540, yes, you can go short. Till the time it remains above 7540, I'll be cautious. Now look at the 3-hour charts consolidating here in between this zone, that is 7540, 7550 to 7560 levels. Hence I will not recommend you to trade in between 7540 to 7580 zone. And yes, any drop below 7540 will try to take it towards rather you can say 7530. Any drop below 7530, you can take a short entry for 7500 and below levels. Overbought here on the stochastic, and hence one can expect a little drop. MACD is trying to converge from here, one can expect a little drop. RSI not showing any signs, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, one can expect that probably from here, if it drops below this zone, that is 753040, one can expect that it may come back till towards 7500. So yes, below 7530 zone one can expect 7500, which is going to remain a fairly strong support, and if it breaks this zone, one can expect 7490, below which we can expect a sharper drop. It is overbought, extremely overbought on the 4-hour charts. MACD is white divergent and is still in green. And if you look at the daily charts now, on the daily charts, see here it has got its double top resistance here at 7590, 75 and 7600, fairly strong resistance zone. Also look at this is the reversal after minor 2 retracement candles, and hence any move beyond 7580 today, one can expect a sharper rise which will try to take it towards 7640 levels. Now also stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a buy here, hence I'll be cautious, and probably beyond 7580 we may see a sharper rise there. At the same time, one must not forget that there is going to be a sharper support at 7450 levels, so it can try to come back till towards these levels, because this is going to be a wild volatile day. Trade with caution. Any short entry below 7540, yes, you can take for 74520, 7500, 7480, and then towards 7450. On the upside, if it breaks 7580, one can go long for 7600, 7620 and 7650 levels. So take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or trading related queries. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. You can be part of my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per the signals, you can definitely profit. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.